This weather video is driven by 802cars.com, representing 802 Toyota, Twin City Subaru, and 802 Honda, all located off of Exit 7 on I-89. Looking at Vermont, which is a warm front here, and this is shifting out of the region. We're getting into the proverbial warm sector, and we have some thunderstorms that are finally showing up here across portions of western New York into the eastern end of Lake Ontario, into portions of southeastern Ontario, and an area of low pressure tracking through here. This is an area here that you see. Well, this particular area here where the sun is out now is going to add to surface heating, and roughly in this box here, the thinking is along the Mohawk Valley, Interstate 90, that we could see potentially some strong to severe thunderstorms that will be marching across this area from west to east. And the winds aloft are veering, and that means it could spin up rotating supercells, and so there is a threat for some isolated tornadoes, about a 5% threat. Now, as these storms blossom, they're going to eventually kind of die out as they head into Vermont, kind of a little bit on a east-northeast trajectory. But this frontal system will swing on through, so the chances for thunderstorms will increase as we get into the the early part of the evening, and then probably toward midnight, they'll be crossing through and then out of the region. Let's take a look at some of our latest computer modeling. And it does look like the HRRR experimental has probably the best handle on the situation here, as these thunderstorms will then advance. It looks like through parts of central and into eastern New York, southwestern Adirondacks. This area here we'll be watching. And this looks like some pretty good buildups with some potentially severe storms there. Would not be surprised to see the Storm Prediction Center put out a watch here, probably covering at least a little bit west of Vermont. And these do come in, and you can see the progression here. And this is basically around 10 o'clock tonight, 11, midnight, and by 1 o'clock, most of the action looks like it's pretty much gone at that point. Roger Hill, Wuthering Heights.